Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and this is Semi-Domestic Mom. Today we're going to be doing a cleaning video. We're going to be tackling my kitchen, my living room and my dining room, and my family room. It's been a long time since I have posted a clean with me, and it's definitely time to get back on track and start getting motivated with you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I am so happy to be back, and let me know what you guys think down below. So my house has not been as dirty lately as it normally is. My husband has been really stepping up and helping me with that and doing practically all of the cleaning for the past month. And so I have been more motivated the past couple weeks to just help and do what I need to do. And it's nice having a clean house. It's nice being able to not feel the pressure of the disorganization and the clutter. I'm not saying I'm always going to be perfect and my house will always be clean, because I don't see that as realistic. I'm going to have bad days just like everyone else, and my house won't be clean for a few days, but I'm going to be trying my best to keep it clean more regularly every single day. And maybe I'll do a new day in the life for you guys just to kind of show you what I have been doing during the day, because while I don't do it all at once, I try and, I've been trying to do small things constantly throughout the day. So that's just where I'm at with the cleaning videos. It's a part of the reason why I haven't posted in so long, because I haven't had much content, I guess, for the cleaning videos. But after this video, we're going to start doing some decluttering videos and videos on other subjects like my bariatric surgery that I'm going to be having in a little bit. So I hope you guys stick around for that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to come over to Instagram and say hi. My handle over there is semi_domestic_, and I love chatting with you guys. So please feel free anytime to message me there, and we can talk about really anything. So I'm just going to let the music play for a little bit and hope you guys feel motivated.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me, let me waste your time. Set up feet, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Set up feet. J's. Like I'm walking over uncrossed borders in different waters than I've been before. Though this is new, I feel like moving forward, 'cause this is what I keep on living for. I know it's not good for me, but you make it hard to speak. I'm losing, can't fight it, got no way to hide it. I'm falling in way too deep. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for the. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play.
So I recently got a new robot vacuum. My other one was kind of just, it's been slowly dying on me. So I wanted to show you guys it. It's actually the same people who gave me my air fryer, Bagoti, and this thing is awesome. It does such a good job, and it does, like, you can see the path it takes, so you know that it's getting everything that you need it to. And it has an online, like an app, so you can see, like, kind of map out where it goes, and you can tell it where not to go. And so I just kind of wanted to show you guys that, because I'm always getting questions about the vacuums I have, and I am obsessed with robot vacuums and vacuums in general. So I just wanted to show you guys that.
Closer, but I know you're trouble. But I can say that I don't feel something. I know I'm walking down a path of sorrow, painting pictures of a fairy tale. I know it's not good for me, but you make it hard to speak. I'm losing, can't fight it, got no way to hide it. I'm falling in way too deep. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for the. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for the. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for the. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for the J's.
I often get asked to do, like, dinner, like, show what we do for dinner, what we eat in a day. I don't really, not very adventurous with what I make at home, and so I just kind of stick to chicken and rice and salad. So that's what I'm making tonight for dinner, and the eczema on my hands has been really bad lately, so I'm using these gloves that I got from a company called Handy Gloves, and they are disposable and they are biodegradable, and I thought that was pretty cool, so I thought you guys might want to see that. I'll have a link for these gloves down below, and, like, you can even, I think, compost these with these gloves. That's how pretty cool they are. So they come in these little packs with 2, and so I have a stash of them in all of our bathrooms and in the kitchen with this bag. So if you guys want to check them out, let me know what you think of them, because they're pretty handy. Oh, that's bad. They're pretty handy, even though that's the name. Oh, man. Okay.
Baby, you should know I got you. told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby, dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, dance, dance.
So that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you the motivation that you needed. Let me know what you think down below, and if you did like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It really lets me know what you guys like to see from me, and I appreciate all of the support that you guys have given me. I truly, truly do. It means the world to me. So I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a great day.